Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today we'll be making cheeseburger tortellini. For that I'm going to need a can of diced tomatoes, about 3 pieces of bacon cooked and chopped up fine. I need about 2 tablespoons of garlic, about 2 teaspoons of parsley, a cup of heavy cream, about 2 cups of shredded cheese. I'm going to use a nice mixed blend. Package of tortellini, and a package of ground beef, roughly about a pound. Also going to need about a cup of beef broth. Well, let's go. First off, I'm going to get that hamburger cooking up and put in my parsley and part of my garlic. And once the beef is brown, I'll be adding in the rest of the garlic. Can of tomatoes. About 1 cup of beef broth. And 1 cup of my cream. I'm going to give that a little bit to get back up to boiling on the burner and mix together thoroughly. Once that mixture is back to boiling, put in the tortellini in. Alright, I've already stirred in half of the cheese. The sauce is getting really nice and thick. I think it's about time to shut off the heat. Let this finish cooking on the residual energy left and dish some up. Before I forget, I'm going to put about 75% of the bacon in, leaving just a little bit. Well, I dished out a little of our cheeseburger tortellini, topped it off with some sprinkly cheese and some bacon. Best part's here. Let's go. Well, I have to say this is a pretty good little dinner. I really don't see a lot of the cheeseburger factor, but I hear the kick of bacon every once in a while. And it tastes like a really good hamburger helper mixture almost, only with tortellini. And the tortellini adds a nice, different texture to it all, instead of just noodles or something. So, I would recommend this as a fast, easy, and delightful dinner. So, you know what to do if you like what you saw, don't like what you saw. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in our next one.